Welcome students. Today I shall tell you about the YCB एग्ज़ाम बुक्स फॉर लेवल 1, 2 एंड 3। और जो हिंदी मीडियम के स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए मैंने ऑलरेडी 2 वीडियोस अपलोड कर दिए हैं, यूजीसी नेट बुक्स का और YCB एग्ज़ाम बुक्स का। तो वो आप चेक कर लेना हिंदी की जो प्लेलिस्ट है YCB हिंदी की और यूजीसी नेट हिंदी की प्लेलिस्ट में। एंड फॉर इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड a video for UGC NET yoga books, so you can check in the playlist UGC NET English playlist of this channel. So let's continue. First of all, I shall tell you about level 3 books, then level 2 and then level 1, and the links to buy all these books at discount is given in the description box of this video, so you can check that. And if you have any confusion regarding YCB exam, so you can WhatsApp me. This is my WhatsApp number. Before proceeding further, I want to tell you that complete yoga syllabus videos for YCB exam level 1, 2 and 3 and for UGC NET exam is available in this channel. So you can check the playlist of channel YCB English and UGC NET English. Here are some theory videos, most important topics: human endocrine system, functions of hormones, very important topic. Next, 5 types of Chit Bhumis. Next, Kriya Yoga, elements of success and failure in yoga sadhana. All these topics are most important. You can check the playlist of this channel. Next, Bhagavad Gita, types of devotees, Panch Prans, types of siddhis, Pathya and Apatya, Tridosha theories, Panch Kosas. All these topics are most important. Before attempting MCQ, you must do these theory lectures. Next, chakras, types of bhaktis, types of disease according to Ayurveda, types of bhavas in bhakti, Shadarshan, 6 ancient Indian philosophies, 5 types of kleshas, types of karmas, the 3 gunas of nature, the 3 main nadis, types of chitvritis, a brief introduction to Ashtanga Yoga. Next are MCQ video lectures, so you can also check this. Patanjali Yoga Sutras, about 300 MCQ are there. Human anatomy, very important, 300 MCQ. Yoga UGC NET. In this video you will find the MCQ related to Veda, Upanishads, philosophies. Next, Hatha Yoga mastery video, 500 plus MCQ. Next, naturopathy and Ayurveda, effects of all yogic activities on health, yoga teaching methods and psychology. This is for UGC NET exam. Yoga and mental health. Next, human anatomy, most important MCQ of endocrine system, Heart Ratnavali MCQ. Next video is 1500 MCQ for YCB exam. Here is volume 1, 1000 questions, and volume 2, 500 questions. You can also check this. And I have already uploaded the syllabus, level 1, level 2 and level 3. Now let's check what are the books here for YCB level 3. So students who have not studied biology as a subject in +1 and +2 standards, they have to read a basic human anatomy book. So this book is by N. Murges and this is by Navdeep. Both books are good. Next, Ghen Sahita, excellent book, a must read book for all yoga students. Next, Hatha Yoga Pradipika, one more book, Hatha Yoga Pradipika. You can compare prices of these books. Next, Yoga MCQ series, excellent book. So the candidates of level 1 and level 2 can easily qualify the YCB exam by reading this one book only. This book has also theory, previous exam questions, practical exam questions, and this is mainly a MCQ book, and it also covers about 90% syllabus of YCB level 3, and this book is also very useful for UGC NET exam, so a must read book for all yoga students. Next, Heart Ratnavali, and I have already uploaded a MCQ video of Heart Ratnavali, so you can check that. Next, Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Next, Yogic Management of Common Disease, an introduction to Indian philosophies. So students, these books are enough to qualify YCB level 3, and if you want to increase your knowledge in the field of yoga, some more books are there. This is Outlines of Indian Philosophy, good book. Next, Super Science of Yoga by Dr. Kamakhya Kumar. Next, the Upanishads, excellent book. Next, teaching methods of yogic practices, Yoga Nidra, Srimad Bhagavad Gita with text and English translation, Bhagavad Gita as it is, Patanjali Yoga Sutra. So the link to buy these books is given in the description box of this video, so you can check the prices. And this is 4-in-1 set of 4 books, Shiv Saita, Hatha Yoga, Pradipika, Gheranda Saita and Yoga Philosophy. So these are the books for YCB level 3. Now let's check what are the books here for YCB level 2. This is official guidebook. This is mainly a theory book. Next is MCQ book, Yoga MCQ series. So this book also contains theory section of most important topics with practical exam questions and previous exam questions. So students, this is theory book and this is MCQ book, but only by reading this one book you can qualify YCB level 2 easily. Only this one book, Yoga MCQ series. So further, if you want to increase your knowledge, some more books are there. There is Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Next, Gheranda Saita, excellent book. Next, Asana Pranayama Mudra Bandh, excellent book. Yoga Sutras, Basic Anatomy and Physiology by Anne Murges. Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Yogic Management of Common Disease. So these were the books for level 2. Next, books for YCB level 1. So this is mainly a theory book. Next, this is also a theory book. This book is for YCB level 1 and level 2. And next, Yoga MCQ series. So students, I have already told you that only this one book is enough for YCB level 1 and level 2. But if you want to buy some more books, then these are the theory books. So students, this was the today's information, and the links to buy all these books at discount is given in description box of this video. Now students, it's your duty to share this video to all the students, because many students of far distant hilly areas and rural areas do not qualify exam just because of lack of guidance and lack of proper books. And if you have any confusion or doubt regarding any book, or if you want some more information about any exam of yoga, UGC NET or YCB, you can WhatsApp me. I have given my WhatsApp number in the starting of this video. So if you appreciate our effort, please like the video. Thank you.